Do you know your mission on this earth? What is your assignment on this earth, and what is your mission on this earth? God said to Jeremiah in the book of Jeremiah chapter 1 verse 5, even the time where your mother never born you, when you then inside belly, I have ordained you to become a prophet to the nation. Listen to me, everybody on this earth have assignment to fulfill. Young lady, your assignment on this earth may be for you to born a great prophet, may be for you to born somebody that will change your family, may be somebody that will do a great thing on this earth, but you don't know. Now let me tell you something. Sometimes as a young lady, God may say that the first child where you will born will be a child, will be a blessing. That child will be a blessing to your family, blessing to your state, blessing to your nation. Even that child will be a child that will take care of you in your old age. So God has planned all those things towards you. Now, you go carry belle. You never married though. You carry belle. From that carrying belle, Satan come put in your mind, remove this child. Your boyfriend may even support you, give you money to remove that child away for your belly. No matter that you never married, but God will still use that child to do whatever He wants to use it to do on this earth. Now, una remove that child. After una remove that child, you don't know what you have removed. Before you come out on this earth, God has set everything that the first child that will come out from your womb will be a blessing to your generation, to your nation, to your family, to your state, even to your family. But you don't know. You don't remove that child because you don't know your assignment on this earth. Everybody on this earth have this assignment. Everybody on this earth have the assignment to fulfill. You did not come on this earth just to come live a life. After you living a life, you just die. No. You will live, you have assignment to fulfill on this earth. Let me stop this message here. Watch the next video. What is my assignment on earth? What is my mission on earth? Thank you. Share this message. I'm still your brother, Evangelist Ebube Joseph. Watch the next message. What is my assignment on this earth? What is my mission on this earth? Follow me on Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube, on Instagram.